Hello, all. Gift right, give eyesight. Can we imagine how it is to not have the ability to see the world around us? Can we live a fearless life even for a day without eyesight and without facing difficulty doing our daily chores? Eyesight is the best boon in one's life. Ability or a heart to give or to gift eyesight to the needy is the greatest boon. As Helen Keller said, there is no better way to thank Lord for your sight than by giving a helping hand to someone in the dark. India has the largest population of the blind in the world with over 55 million visually impaired. Conveniently, nearly 80% of them are curable. With this hope in mind, I happened to reach out to one of the renowned non-profit organization, Shankar Foundation Eye Institute. So I reached out to these people and I asked how we could help them. Their mission is to realize the goal of Vision 2020 by year 2020. Perform 1 million free eye surgeries. We can be assured that our every penny donated is well utilized for the noble cause. Its core value, service to man, is service to God. I'm happy has been the motto of today's busy life, right? Let us willingly move towards I'm happy, why not make others happy? I can see, why not help others see? There is a dire need for people like us in the community. Let's come forward to contribute towards this noble cause of providing eyesight to those in need. And why not expand it big by asking your friends and family for help? If you truly want to be part of this selfless service initiative, please feel free to donate any amount directly to SFEI, which will be used to perform eye surgeries to the needy for free. It is indeed a fortune and a boon to have a hand in such noble cause. As we know, hands that serve are holier than the lips that pray. Let us utilize this great service opportunity to raise funds for free eye surgeries to the needy. Each surgery costs Indian rupees 3500, US dollars around $50 per person, but any amount given with love and a prayer is sufficient. Even 1 rupee, $1 is also so helpful for the needy. That is a true moment of happiness, to see a smile on their faces when we can help them see the world around them. Please refer to their website for details, www.shankarfoundation.org, SANKAR foundation.org. Don't give it to me, directly deal with them. I'm just trying to spread the message of service. When you donate, please put free eye surgery in the memo field. Put free eye surgery if you're donating it for the surgery. Account details are listed for the Indian and overseas donation. There should not be any middleman with regards to money. That's what I always believe in. So donate directly to the respective organization. I am only touched by this service and so thought of being a volunteer messenger to spread the good message. So all the details are here. Please go through all the details, the account information. Feel free to reach out to them directly. You can just send any amount to them and it will be so helpful, even to buy some eyeglasses, to do some free eye surgery. So many service activities going on there for free. So as human beings, I think it is our utmost fortune to be able to be part of such service activities, and because we are human. Thank you so much. And we see the world with the help of the light. Why not become that light itself to help others see the world? Namaste.